good, YouTube? Today is that day. We're putting a motherfucking muffler delete. Well, no, we're not putting a muffler delete, but we're cutting off the mufflers. And I'm excited to see how this sounds. I know it's not gonna be too crazy loud, which is what I don't want, because you know the wifey don't want it too loud. But it's gonna be louder than what it is, because it is kind of quiet. But I think hopefully it evens out the whine and the noise. So I'm excited. If you guys enjoy this little muffler delete, I'm gonna do before and after so you guys can see. And then yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. Other than that, we're gonna do like a little POV on the way there, and then after that, just a little bit, ain't too long, because I kind of want to listen to my music. And then after that, when we get it done, we're gonna do a POV on the way back home, man, so y'all can hear that motherfucker. I think it's gonna be cool. I think it's gonna be way better than what it is now. So yeah, man, hopefully y'all enjoying these type of videos, man. Hopefully you guys enjoy this muffler delete too. If I don't like it, then I'll probably just look up some type of exhaust to make it sound better, but yeah, we'll see. Alright, y'all. See, look, y'all can only really hear the whine, which I'm not really mad at, but I'm trying to be quiet so you guys can hear. Like, you can't really hear the exhaust. I think there's a scat up ahead. So, oh look, there's another scat right here. I don't want no smoke.
Another scat.
They don't want no smoke.
They know their place.
At least both of them they're both wide bodies. They seem like they're buddies. They gotta be buddies. See, but hopefully this muffler delete evens it out. Plus, technically, once I take this muffler delete, that's like a little bit of weight reduction too. So I don't know if you guys ever seen what a mid muffler delete looks like on a Dodge Durango, but that muffler, or that, it's a one big muffler. That shit is huge. Should I keep it?
Yeah.
Keep it?
Yeah.
Alright. So y'all can't really hear none. And then when it idles, y'all will be able to hear it too. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna wait till we get over there, and then y'all will see. Y'all will see the before and after. About to be pulling up pretty soon. Roll the window down so you guys can hear a little bit of it. But it's gonna sound better when it's done. I'm not complaining about the whine, best believe. But when this shit evened out, ooh, wee. I didn't even know fire trucks can lift up like that. What the fuck? Yeah, that's crazy. I did not know that. I gotta low key hurry up. There's a school right here. This lady wanna speed up and shit. Alright, y'all, so the place we going to is called Custom Mufflers in Arizona. Make sure y'all go tap in. He could do any type of car. His welding is pretty good from what I've seen, man. I fuck with it. His name is Jesus. So make sure y'all go tap into Jesus at Custom Mufflers. Off of Cactus and... Dang, I don't even know what road this is. Cactus and something. Custom Mufflers. Y'all see it? Right now we're about to go talk to him real quick. Dang, I hope he don't got a lot of... He said for us to just pull up, so I hope he don't have like a lot of clients to do stuff. Custom Mufflers. Alright, y'all. Let's go see. Oh, he working on the car right now. Damn. Guys, he's busy today, so we're gonna have to come tomorrow. So we shall see you guys tomorrow. Oh man, it's all good. I had a feeling though, he has all these cars here, so, and he's doing a truck right now too. So, alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. We here with CarFeenz.
It's good.
What you call it? We're continuing on. We're finally getting the muffler delete. Not too long ago, there was somebody who just peeped that this was a Hellcat, and then they pulled up, and I started doing this. They got happy. I ain't gonna lie, that's like the best feeling ever, doing that. Yeah. And then a lot of people think that this is also the thing is the cop car, so it's funny how like some of them like slow down or get out the way. It's funny because they be having some Durango cops, man. They be scary out here. But yeah, we're on the way right now, and I'll see you guys there. I texted the dude Jesus to see, or no, I called him this morning actually to see if we're still on go for getting this muffler day, and he said yes. So that's why we are on the way right now, and he texted me not too long ago. So yeah, we will be there, and I'll see you guys. Let's go around town. You have it plugged in as the right one?
Yeah.
I love his dogs. What up, Jesus? Yeah. Can I rev it real quick so I could do like a little before and after?
Yeah, you can do before.
You cool being on camera too?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right, cool. You want to rev it real quick and then we'll switch?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. We're gonna do a little before and after. Keep going. All right. See how quiet that shit is? You want to rev it? You want to record it or no? For a before and after?
Do like 2 revs.
Yeah. You want to rev it up? Yeah. You can rev it up, please. I've never seen. You guys look, we're in Custom Mufflers. Jesus is the guy to go to. He is the guy. What happened? Oh, we're gonna see what it looks like underneath. Damn, look how big that muffler is. Look at that. Bro, that thing is holding weight. Yes. I like this dog. Huh? Yeah. Oh look, it already has an X pipe.
That's a H pipe.
Oh, that's an H pipe? Oh. Just look at this.
That's an H pipe, right? It comes stock.
It doesn't have, right now, only has the resonator with the equalizer in there.
Oh. Wait, so what are those?
The resonator.
Oh, the resonator? See? It's the resonator. Yeah, resonators right there. And the muffler is right there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
On this one, they welded together, so it looks like they did a kind of like an X pipe in it.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
So
So what are you gonna be doing today?
we're gonna be cutting this part right here, and then we're gonna straight pipe this section here.
Nice.
And we'll listen to it and see what
Yeah.
it looks like.
I trust this man a lot, man. Y'all need to come over here and cut some mufflers. It's about to sound good, y'all. That shit is beyond quiet too, man.
Oh yeah, it's crazy.
Beyond quiet. So I'm gonna let him get to work, guys. And yeah, the rest is history. Oh shit, I didn't even notice. Is it like bolted onto it too? It is? I didn't know
It's on a
that.
hanger.
Oh.
That's what holds the exhaust.
Oh, okay.
You just take it out.
That makes sense. She likes you.
I know. Waiting for something. Oh, never mind.
There you go. Damn.
How's that?
Sheesh.
Friction.
That's a lot of muffler.
Oh my gosh.
I was gonna say it's probably hot. Yeah, he was wearing gloves.
Hey, that bitch was hot. Hey, that shit heavy too though.
Yeah, that's it.
Damn. Oh my god, bro.
You cut it perfectly.
You did. Sheesh. Now for the pots. Look at it. Man, he cut it perfectly. Nice. These are all the other cars he's done. He's done other Hellcats, other old school cars. He's the man, y'all. He is the man. Sheesh. Look at all that. Pretty damn good. Welding is good. I like his welding. A1. A1. one. I'm telling y'all, it's about to sound different. It's about to sound good, y'all. I am excited just like this dog makes me excited. They look like resonators? Yeah, this is the biggest muffler I've ever seen. Not gonna lie. Now with those gone, oh, or with that gone, it's gonna sound good. Yo, look at this shit, y'all. Let me get out your way. You did a damn good job. Sheesh. Oh, these are, what are these? Are these the cats? Are these the cats?
Those cats.
Oh shit. Damn. Man, he did really good, y'all. Now we get to hear it. Oh yes. Here's on. You know how much louder that shit would be?
Yeah.
Holy fuck with the black tips.
Oh, they're as big as the muffler.
Cut these off, put a 3-inch pipe? Too loud, huh?
Yeah. But you need
Oh, Jesus is the man. Let's see. Yeah, go ahead. Oh my God, that's way better. Yeah, I did. Woo. That sounds really good. Thank you. Shit. Can you rev it again? Just real quick. Good? This shit sounds good. It sounds way better than before. Oh fuck.
Oh, it's got some.
Alright man, have a good one. 150. You dropped me 150. Yeah.
Maybe because we left them. Stop on a some camp.
Yeah. Oh shit, yo. This shit sounds fucking good, man. Oh shit, hold on.
Just keep going. And if you want to hear the whine, you just roll your windows.
Yeah, let me roll out the windows.
Yeah.
You can hear both of it, bro.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
I think it evens out pretty good.
Oh. Holy shit.
That sounds good.
Bro, it's totally even now. Oh my God. I'm so hyped. This shit makes me happy.
That's perfect. You got a steel like a nail.
Oh
too.
my God. Shout out to Jesus, man. Here, I'm just stopping in the middle of the road. Yeah, you're good. Yo, this motherfucker, oh my God, yo. Yo, what the fuck? Hey, hold on. Yo, I might need you to rev it just real quick. Oh my God, yo. Bro, hey, nah, this bitch don't get old. Wait, It's not. It's almost done. No, boom. It's right here. Look.
By far two of the cool.
Oh my god, y'all. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. Jesus, you did your shit, man. Jesus. Y'all need to go to Custom Mufflers off of Cactus Road. Cactus and I don't know what this other road is, but oh look at that car.
That's pretty dope.
What kind of car is that?
I'm not too sure.
I want to take off right here, but there's a school, so I'm gonna respect the school. And there's, oh here, watch the video. I just posted it.
Probably too loud.
I was also still connected to the car. Bro, you can feel how much lighter it is.
Yeah. I should have a little bit of HP too. Shit.
Bro, how many pounds do you think that shit was? Like, how much did you think that shit weighed?
I don't think it was, to be honest, I don't know.
Probably like, I say like 30, no, not 30, like 25? No.
Yeah, 30 to 40.
30 to 40?
Maybe.
Bro, taking that off?
Pounds, maybe.
Yeah, bro.
And then, I'd say just the straight pipe, probably like 10.
Yeah.
5, 10 or 5.
So much airflow now, bro.
3.
So much airflow, bro. Like, this shit sound good. Watch. Hold on, I'm about to motherfucking, yeah. Cause right now I'm at like 740, I think. Cause bro said with the intake, he gave us like 30 or 35.
30.
Yeah, 30, so 740. And then with the weight reduction, that's, I don't even know. That shit sound good. Fuck. Huh?
Oh, there you go. Look at that guy.
What the fuck? This guy is climbing a mountain.
That's funny.
Oh, we about to take off right now, y'all. Never mind this fucking car.
Right.
Ah, damn. All this traffic too, fuck. Can't have no fun. Bro, it sounds, oh, it really do sound mean, bro. Woo! Oh my god! No, there's no fucking way. There's no fucking way.
That's just straight pipe, dude.
Bro, it would be even louder. Oh my gosh. I like how it's still quiet though, like if I'm not pressing the gas too hard. That's what I really wanted. Like to be, like if Alexa's just driving and she's just going like this, bro, like it's cool. But then once you step on it, once you step on that motherfucker.
That's what the mufflers are for.
Yeah.
Takes the drone away. It's not like it's making a weird noise while you're driving.
Like right now?
Like droning, yeah.
Cool, cause bro, I know y'all know, like if y'all watch my recent videos, like me driving right now, you could hear the exhaust a little bit, but before it was never like that. You couldn't hear nothing. All you heard was this whine right here. See, but now it's even out. Oh my god. Dude, it's louder than I thought. But like it's a good loud. Woo. Man. Oh gosh. This shit is crazy. The video I posted on Instagram, that you could tell was kind of like scuffed, or I'm not scuffed. I don't know. I think it was just because I was connected to the car, but I'll get a better video for my Instagram. But I know you guys heard it on this YouTube, but Oh my God. Oh man. It just, I can't stop talking about how good it sounds. Let me be quiet and I'll let you guys just listen to it, okay? Is that a cop badge?
Where? Oh,
on this truck?
Illuminati.
Illuminati. Wait, be honest. Do you like the sound or no? Be honest.
Sounds good.
Okay, okay.
Not a Mopar guy, but it do sound good still. Me though, I would probably do the mufflers or the resonators too in the back.
Yeah.
I like it loud.
Oh yeah, I know you like it loud. Jeez. He had it, guys. He had a Camaro. Oh my God, that shit would hurt my ear.
Yeah.
That's how loud his shit was.
I think it had, yeah, no cats.
It had no cat.
No.
Oh, yours was fully straight piped.
Yeah.
Yeah. If any of you car guys know about anything about straight piping cars, you know that shit's loud.
Must be V8 and up.
V8 and up to do that?
Yeah. Maybe V6. Well, unless it's boosted.
Oh look, let's see if I want to mess with this guy.
Oh,
Is that a girl?
that's a woman. That's just a V6er.
Oh.
A V6er looks like, maybe. No badges.
Nothing. Just a regular.
A little RT. it's an
Oh, old guy. And was that 392 or 345?
What? That was RT.
It was?
Yeah.
I thought I saw 345. Bro, he did not miss with this shit. Fuck. You don't even understand how happy I am. Oh shit. Now I just want to drive all night. Just driving this. All night. It has small, tiny, little burbles. I can hear it. You hear it? Watch, guys. Here, hold on, watch.
Where's that? Oh, this car behind you. I was gonna say we try to downshift and then like let go of the gas.
Oh, I know, huh? I know. I need to open. Fucking. This is not open.
Oh
Yeah, we should hear how this downshift sounds.
gas and let go. See if it's probably gonna be higher gears.
Yeah.
Or lower gears. Try it again. Or another gear.
Ooh. Another one? The burbles?
Yeah.
Bro, you could, bro, deadass, I'm not even joking with y'all. Y'all could feel the weight reduction. Man, I was supposed to exit. Fuck. We're gonna make our way. We're go make our way.
Yeah, car. It's like dragging some.
What the fuck?
Dragging some skid plate or something.
Nah, this is hard. Downshift sound good too. Fuck.
Yeah.
See, you can still hear the whine, y'all. You can still hear it. Now, if I were to take off the resonators and fully straight piped it, I promise you, you could probably hear the whine slightly. So 392.
It's RT. Is it 392?
Nah, I think that's a 392.
That one?
The one right here?
Oh.
This one's just a RT, I think. All in the fucking freeway everywhere. Jeez, it's on every goddamn lane. Come on, buddy, learn how to drive. There's a 392 Scat Pack pulling up. Yeah, he's pulling up right now. He's not bugging.
That budge.
Oh, boring. It's behind that though. Oh, all good. All good. It's okay to be civilized. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding, but I'm not kidding. It is okay to be civilized.